Hello. This is Victoria. Here. And we've been working really hard on taming them. So this is very exciting that they're letting us hold them. And she's huge. We're not sure how that happened. Anyways, this is Victoria. Okay, I'm gonna put her down. Oh, she flies. Anyway, come here, Tristan. This is Tristan. Look at her, isn't she precious? Look at her feathers. Ooh. See the little fuzzies coming out? Those are her baby fuzzies. She's almost done. And I'm wearing this because it itches when you hold them afterwards. I'm like, ugh, so itchy. So it's Victoria. Come here. And this is Lainey. Oh, stop. Oh. So that's Lainey. Isn't she beautiful? She's kind of scraggly in the neck area right now, but all her feathers are coming in. So you can see all the feathers. She's very sweet. So, I'm the mom. There we go. And my husband thinks I'm crazy, and I'm the bird whisperer. He's like, oh my God, you're the bird whisperer. So that's what we're doing now. Just chilling with our pets.
Oh my God.
Okay, come here.